but with good sense I love, with true desire, love and youth, and everything that is beautiful to me. For with joy I live along and renew myself, like the fruit on the branch when the birds sing. For in my heart I have leaf and flower, which keep me all year in greenness and in entire joy, so that I see nothing that is grievous to me. Whenever it was grievous to her, now she holds me as hers, the most beautiful under God and of the best sense. For she knows well that I love her with true desire, so that in my youth and then long I will serve her beautiful body, gay and upright and new, in the manner of a true lover who has all his heart in love. I will have of love, leaf and fruit and flower and branch in greenness, if ever anything was grievous to me. For as a lover she holds me as hers, and I pray her by God that she see how I will have been of good sense. For I never change my desire, nor do I love flower nor branch except for her, nor bird's song. Gayer than the bird I will be, if it pleases her that a sweet new kiss she'd give me for love. For from no other branch do I wish to gather flower, nor fruit, nor greenness, nor did I ever see a lover who changed himself more grievously. And since she holds me as hers, I will serve her in my youth, then old if I live long. If I live long, if I live long, I have long my heart and my sadness song. If I live long, and doing her will more than in bird song. For her I love youth and everything that is beautiful to me. For thus I renew myself, like the fruit on the branch, when I can do anything for her love. I desire no other flower, but that it please God that she be pleased, that she and I be together. For I am her man, it should not be grievous to her if I do but to hers for very long. I have been by God entirely of her sense, and if through desire I lose all my youth, little will bird song profit me. But if it pleased my lady, she could keep me in greenness like her loyal lover. Above other lovers, love went well for me when I stole the flower, for I never had more that keeps me in greenness when everything else is grievous to me. And if